spotlighting. What the heck's going on? Yeah, man, you know, they've only been helicoptering us for about 2 years here in Flint. Remember last summer, I was praying away the devils, and then all of a sudden the helicopter went away. It's crazy. Because it was like over there in the heart of the city of Flint, man. They really like to just kind of tyrant from the sky. I mean, it's just because someone committed a crime or is suspected of a crime or something that, you know, they get to fly around the hood and beam everyone with the lights. I just don't see that as being fair, but it's my opinion.
What, they had the light beam?
Yeah.
They might be looking for something.
Yeah, they do. They might. They used to do it in Flint all the time too.
Yeah, we're in the...
Yep.